Hi, GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwana. Maybe bravo. And we say we can subscribe to the channel now. Obody say over subscribe. Nobody say over click the subscribe button. Now what the notification. We have a new video or the first person what's a click. I think we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nafi also to say. Shema Ofufroso na woje bi hwe na wo hu ya Akoto ewo Ghana memu ha no afi debeti ensema beto ye pronso ewo hasi yiti ensema koso yiti
na menkwa ahomaso eye odike ewa ahomaso odike ma tia na pen
ya bi ba
na mbom te sen
na me bi yankwa che ye ho ye
ye di nkobo na wo tie bie na wo se nkobo no em se se otumi e kire wadwene wo ho wadwene
no na me da se I'm sure what you food. Ubi boy, I can't say bebre. But God the questions you say na. But you answer one question. I will say no. I know the history. And in Yama, cover up. Look, Pukuno, Nanada, and that's a serious of your control. I have your woman, son,
Odike, what memo? Odike, what kind of book? Nabote, what kind of book be? Na book rebrebe. Meba book rebrebe.
Ashanti region. Abra prepare for 2020 elections. To be catch them side. Odike. Oya dilemma follow electoral commission. Na ya tiase mo ye pa. Na mo Ghana for tiase side. Mami Mensah, I would actually electoral commission. I can tell you.
Meba, mama no book
news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Odike Mr. Ojina baby.
Pack it. Don't take them. I'm not packing up.
Mate. Chema won't to be catch out say.
Lana,
Ane metonka.
Very good. Okay, the party bukuna. I think the 26 and Bidisa 2.BD6. The minor party.
I am baby. I would know.
Very good. Mami Mensah. The Okofalia. There were two sections. First one, a physical inspection. You know, Oban State, tax clearance, or Senate, and a document now. Did signatures, every endorsement. Our district, you know, you probably don't know also a book here because over 500 and something people, and also the police safe code number, voters ID card, information was in the feeling. If you don't make the Mensah Lancaster, and you will check out what Gyamfi bank. Mami Mensah na you started to have book. Obia mu nyina wie hu say bibia yo ka na de call IT section. IT wono the book nse machine mu a da bia am feeling here no. Ya ka twa sa mi se kwa it is for to find some family. In my case, me call another Mensah. I Mensah the car clear me and I'm call IT. Me call no mo say ni ko wie and I'm a call the next day I'm the buy. If I'm the share computer, I catch him say you are okay. I'm having the Mensah. Who you have better for the Mensah? The point of the Mensah catch him say you said through the process. Congratulations. But after that time, some years after process, I don't know what press conference would be. I qualify. After the Mensah, you have one agenda. Some guys say go. You will hear from us. Man, carefully. I'm saying. Who should be power disqualifying now? We now book who's disqualifying. I don't know more terrible. Negotiations.
Okay, 2.6. 2 was a main kind to Tobo. 2.6. Other minor parties. So, say further in this, it is ultimately important to ensure we help reactivate and encourage the minor parties to contest. Many of their supporters have an antipathy towards the NDC, with some financial inducement to their polling agent. We could construct an understanding with them to shore up the number of pro-MPP polling agents at the polling stations. It is a non-negotiable to ensure that the LPG, GUM, Ekriadonko, and GCPP are all cleared to contest. Depending on the outcome of our next negotiation, the following parties could be eliminated by the Electoral Commission if they fail to agree to our proposition. Maverick Kofi Gain, Kofi Granting, Akwesi ODIKE of the United Progressive Party, Kwesi Busumburu of the People's Action Party, New Vision Party, United Renaissance Party, UFP, and the others who may also file. For the CPP, PNC, and possibly APC, they may be allowed to contest in order to shield the EC and our government of any wrongdoing. ODIKE yeninkobo the ODIKE then na ma Gyamfi Mensah disqualify
wa ma me reason obi a wa clear me obi a wa say official signatures be identical abra ko IT awie awon na ye fade no machine here no atnase no on clear me to contest 1 week, you know, or disqualifying. No,
Akufo-Addo so
or the book the paymaster said, yeah, book, shout from former that disqualify woman.
No.
Enti Owusu say all those signatures no catch will say it be identical and not just you. Akufo-Addo have a similar problem.
So obi signature what no. I just the other day the trust say ODIKE me na Owusu mama no na me science and no correct. O need me because also be that report to me. And I go bank. And I know no. I active one here. Who could my active one here? What you say? No, I just want to them. Ghana, we are sitting on the timing bomb. The custom no discussing from page by page.
The book. What did the book say after 2024 when Akufo-Addo is no longer the president?
What say?
Book no eka saying after Nanado and the president Biomwa.
Book what summarize book na. Nanado want to control state resources and the state institutions, even if so or
only power Biomwa.
That is all.
Mate,
I get book city to address young Makacho.
Mate, medase pa emfa wo nkomo no ensi ha. So my question I ask, what happens after Nanado is no longer the president? For instance, if Ghanaians decide to vote and vote for the NDC as omo research ne omo bato mun sensem asofo commission ade are all tilting towards His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. If he wins 7 December 2024, January 2025, 7 January, sworn in, what happens to this AGYAPADiE book? Let's think about it.
I would have wished the president didn't bring this up.
How do you mean?
I would have wished he didn't bring it up. You know why?
No.
If the president is saying it's conspiracy from opposition, why is it that? Whose picture is here?
Again, he says it.
Wait. Whose picture is here? Whose picture? Whose picture is there? Okyehene. And when you open the document, it has whose pictures in there? It has President Nana Addo, yeah? And JB Dankwa and Okyehene in his youth. If this was conspiracy and it was done by the opposition, why haven't they taken it to court?
You mean asking all media houses?
Why? No. If they say they know nothing about it, and somebody has used Okyehene's picture and the president's picture in the document, character assassination, if they know nothing about it, why haven't they taken it to court? Why haven't they? So, if you permit me, I'm able to make my point. If you permit me. The forward is quite lengthy, but I don't know if I can read it, but I will try. Okay. So that the people listening to us, those who haven't read the document, will see what is in this document. The foreword gives a summary of what is in the document. So let me try my best because of time. The foreword, and I quote, "To our future made up of the present and the unborn, for whom this will of a nation is being prepared. To our foremost king, Ofori, the progenies, spread across this world, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. As the heirs of Nana Apini Kwaframa, Nana Kuntunkunu, and Ofori, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subject, and yet, after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of people who never defeated us in a war, while the Asante Kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade." Serious.
But that's why it's a conspiracy.
What are you trying to tell us?
To pitch the Achems against the Asantes.
And I'm saying, if they know nothing about it, why haven't they taken it to court with the president's picture in it and the chief of Achim's picture on it? Why haven't they done anything about it? If this content they don't know anything about. It goes on to say,
You are watching Juicy News.
"We were
on YouTube.
made to live in
Hot
the
news
shadows
all
of the
time.
descendants of the people who never defeated us in a war, while the Asante Kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade. In relatively recent times, the struggles and works of J.B. Dankwa to restore Okyeman to its original glory were thwarted, but he fought bravely to the end." This bit brings politics into the game.
How so?
Look.
What type of politics?
Look. And I'll tell you. The J.B. Dankwa family feel Nkrumah snatched Ghana from their arms.
Because?
When I read, you will see. Because they were the heirs of this country. We were the subjects of them. And they've never forgiven Nkrumah for that. Never. I'll continue. It goes on to say, "With the arrival of Nana, we see the rebirth of a second J.B. Dankwa who has come to the rescue. Fully cognizant that we are currently part of the modern nation of Ghana, the name of which was originally proposed by the illustrious son of Ofori of Okyeman, J.B. Dankwa." This is what I'm telling you. They feel we're starting from them. It was J.B. Dankwa who gave the name. It is their property. It is not ours. It's not for Ghanaians. And aware that it is currently made up of other diverse people, we have to assert our old selves and ensure that we no longer continue to live in the shadows of other kings and people whose forebears we defeated in wars. Come on. Come on.
Just somebody's imagination.
Come on. I said the picture of them is on the document. They should have taken it to court to disassociate themselves from it. The president is a lawyer. They have taken it to court to disassociate themselves. Have they done it? They haven't. So we take it that what is in this document is what they believe in. In spite of our tremendous contribution to this Ghana entity, listen, In spite of a tremendous contribution to this Ghana entity, Okyehene has not been credited with the appropriate awe and grandeur that we rightly deserve in recent times.
Try and wrap up for me.
What kind of air and grandeur are we talking about? Currently with Nana, in total control of the whole entity of Ghana, we have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding heights of the essential fabric of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Okyehene would be firmly secured and such control, both financially and economically, that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana. What did Malik just read? What did he just read? So they should.
The things are playing out?
Are they not playing out? Perfectly. This is what I've read in here. Is it not playing out?
No, it's for waiting and someone up at 20 so I'm can say so and now we're no so we can subscribe. Yeah, let's say over subscribe. What like it now we share video on the ya of also opinion be okay. Also get me actually what in Afriyie and so we now who work comment boxing. Interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.